Start by cooking the pasta and always make sure to salt the water before. I personally put some oil in the water so it's not gonna stick together, but that's my personal preference. While the pasta is gonna get ready, we can start to prepare the chicken. I'm always making sure that the excess fat is removed so it's not gonna get chewy and it's easier to slice it up. Once it's ready, I'm cutting it into 3-4 equal slices. Meantime, the pasta got ready as well, so I drained it and rinsed it under water. I'm just going to put it on the side. Season the meat with salt, black pepper and red paprika. And of course my very favorite is the Italian seasoning, which I've ordered from Amazon. After, I'm going to pour in some garlic oil, and I'll make sure to add some ready-made garlic puree as well. But if you prefer to use some fresh garlic, do it then. And now it's time to mix it all together. To cook the meat, I'm also using garlic oil. Once the oil starts to warm up, I'm adding some salted butter to it. Once the oil and the butter is nicely melted together, I will start to place in the meat slices and then cook each side for like 3 to 4 minutes. When the meat is ready, I put some salted butter into the oil that I've used to cook the meat, and I will also pour 200 ml of double cream into it. After mixing it well together, all we need to do now is wait a couple of minutes so it can boil and create a nice creamy and thick texture. My choice for the sauce was the Parmesan cheese, so just pour it in and mix it well. After cooking the pasta and the meat and making the sauce ready, all we have left to do now is place everything on the plate and try it. I would love to know how this easy but delicious dish has turned out to you, so drop a comment and make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you would like to see more of these, then don't forget to subscribe. Good luck for your cooking. Bye for now!